Now the survivors are testing out their drawing skills. Let's see if they can draw out the aliens. Oh my gosh.
Let's keep on dancing!
Ben said, gotcha. Start game and throw Dana off the ship. Oh my goodness. Ben, I didn't tell you to do that. Why would one of your moms tell you to throw your other mom off the ship? Does everyone know how to play? I should have asked that before I hit the button. But if you don't, it's essentially like a game of Guess Who. Folks, we are now switching over to Push the Button. We are joined by the Hidden Village's own Sharingan Shanny. Also from Beyond the Stair. Oh, hold on. Wait. Also from Beyond the Stars, Alien Bean. We have another terrestrial joining from another galaxy, the Alien, and also the eighth wonder of the world, W Wonders 3. Last but not least, we have the Lion 16. Woo! Welcome, all of our challengers. I don't know. The alien is sitting in the corner already. Dana. Dana, I don't know. So Ben was sitting in that seat where the alien is sitting one time before, and I was like, boy, he's looking real suspicious over there, and he was the alien that time, so. How are you, W Wonders? Thank you so much for hopping in and playing with us. Did you come in with the raid, or how did you find my channel? Impressive, huh? Choose an available room and your desired participants. Also, Dana loves drawing, so you guys know she loves to draw. Welcome to the writing pod. You will be given a fill-in-the-blank prompt. Answer honestly, because it will be scrutinized. The alien virus will allow the intruders to get something similar, but not quite right. When the correct prompt is revealed, it will be up to you to determine if any seem odd. As time winds down, I'll do my best to send the aliens some real stinkers. It's the least I can do. Here is the human prompt. My favorite thing to eat is probably, let's see what they came up with. Do any of these answers seem suspicious? Look for any written answer that doesn't seem quite right. Oh yeah, and you can hit the hurry up button, to make time go faster, so that way we get more. Talk to each other and find the truth. But remember, 2 among you are aliens and will be lying. So that makes them go faster. Pizza says, our survivors must now figure out who is the alien amongst them. Can they do it? Or will they fall to the clutches of the beast of the void? Oh my goodness. Pizza, I need you to write a book or something. What type of fish? My favorite is, I feel bad saying this because I'm from the islands, but it's, so in order, the top 3, it goes salmon, snapper, grouper. Fried, grilled, or smothered, doesn't matter. But I like the thickness of salmon's meat. And then I love snapper, but I like the whole fish of snapper. And then grouper fillets or whatever. Grouper and salmon fillets, but whole snapper. Okay, let's see. Oh yeah, Ben, you put Dana into draw. Is that you punching someone? Oops, LOL. Are you punching? Oh, is that you? Wait, no. It's supposed to be smart baby. At least this baby's saying milk, please. Is that baby wearing glasses? Wonders. Is that the baby from John and Kate +8 who had glasses? Now the survivors are testing out their drawing skills. Let's see if they can draw out the aliens. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Someone give Pizza an award. When looking at their probe screen, an alien can select any draw out the aliens. Give them the alien prompt. To make things worse, aliens can help Dana said I messed up. LOL. Close. I thought it said draw a fight. But they just added the hacks, Dana. So how could you think it said to draw a fight? Oh, it's my turn.
Back to the writing pod. Glad you like it. Let's see if there's any weird responses. Humans received the following prompt. I wish I had more time in the day to... and discuss. And don't forget about those alien hacks. A smart alien can make someone look suspicious by flipping their prompts.
Both of these make sense. I don't know. I can't pick either one. Hey. Thank you so much for the follow, Metal Saucer. Shoot. Welcome to the stream.
Deliberation deck. Humans will be given a difficult decision and must choose which answer seems appropriate to them. Aliens will see no dilemma and must choose their answers.
Okay, yeah, we're gonna after this one you can hop in.
Aliens may have to justify their random selection or face suspicion.
And it seems it's back to the writing prompts. Can the survivors write an end to this nightmare, or will they be written out of existence? I'm confused, Ben.
There is a three-way race for president. You vote for the candidate that was once convicted of. Do any of these seem stinky? Now you have to decide who's an alien, or just makes terrible life decisions.
Money laundering or public nudity? They're both bad.
Nothing like some art to distract me from my impending doom. Here is the human prompt. Draw Les Miserables.
I didn't even see that. I was trying to draw the acting, and the squiggles are supposed to be the audience. And it's the Lion 16 up to bat. He chooses art. Can he pen out the aliens, or will he frame the wrong person? Ooh.
Welcome to the Opinion Hold, a place to hang out and let your opinions fly. Each participant will be presented with a bold statement. You will then provide your level of agreement or disagreement. Aliens, however, will be given a completely different statement. When the crew sees the full opinion, aliens may have to justify an outlandish position. Let's see what these players have to say. If they're an alien, their answer might be pretty out there. Here's the prompt humans should have received. I expect friends to immediately text me back. Okay, what can we work on?
Listen, if you're on social media, you better text me back. Unless you're taking a nap, then I understand. But you have some people who don't message you back for days.
Teleporting to the writing pod. Let's see if there's any weird responses. Here's the correct prompt. My favorite snack is... Do any of these answers seem suspicious?
Nutter butter? I think I've heard of that. Goes good with the foods. I'm confused. I've heard of nutter butter. Isn't it like a bar? Like a peanut butter bar or something like that? But yeah, goes good with the foods. That doesn't make sense. We have... I don't think we know enough. We have to pick 2 aliens. If I had to guess...
Since you were the one to push the button, isolate the 2 crew members.
I would say
press confirm.
We don't know enough yet.
You have 2 minutes to decide.
Is that LOL? Oh, actually, I do think that's right. I do. Wait, but which one is Ben? Ben, are you Alien Bean?
are safe, but if one of them is a human, then it's curtains for us all. Okay, time to vote. The vote has to be unanimous. If anyone votes, the vote passed.
Hey, hey, do the alien dance, do the alien dance. Let's go, mother and son.